Okay, so previously the state machine is ready, and we can actually initialize it. So state machine, and we can dots, right? Initialize. First initialize. Let's just enter the idle state. Okay, that's good. And then update. Do I have a state machine? Let's look at the option that we got here. Dot initialize current state and change state. Right, updates. We're going to go the current state and actually update it. Okay, so move state, idle state, state machine. Right, we got this initialize and change state, and yeah, current state. Get on private set. Yeah, good. So while you want to test it, the best way is for you to just print it out. And so let's go to the basic player state. Right, you enter a specific state, so you can have a debug log and say you have I'm in the animal state, yeah, and boolean state, and don't forget here. Right, so basically I am in a specific state. You can even add some hint that this will be changed. Okay, and here using the same method, I'm you enter, or I'm in the state. I enter. That's better. And you can add a debug. The log. I'm updating the state. Updating and in. I'm updating and in the specific state, right? And boolean state, yeah. And I don't know why it does not recognize the string. This should be all that should be a string, okay, and plus a string concatenation, and here state, okay. And why it's not working? Expensive method. Okay, I'm updating. Let me just make it shorter. Can I just do that? Yeah, it doesn't really matter. You still think this is expensive. Okay, expensive method invocation. Log message parameter external document. Yeah, it's expensive. This just a nice little warning. Does not necessarily mean a bug. So by the way, I like first work, like do not need to be perfect at every time that you do, because if you want like everything to be perfect, you won't be able to like start. So I'm exiting the state. Okay, just yeah, dirty sort of thing, because updates is like constantly, frequently called. Okay, frequent called code, and yeah, so it would say that it's very expensive, but doesn't really matter. We just need to quickly test that our state machine actually works. And let's quickly test the state machine. We've already got like a debug, enter. It should show the enter and then updating, right? So we can add just to add a empty game object. So for example, I can say this will be our player, right? And in order for it to work, you have to attach this player script to the player, right? So you got this player script to it. Run this, and let's go back to console. Okay, let's just hold on seconds. Console, and enter the idle state and debug log object, right? And I'm updating, and in the idle state, in updating and in the idle state. Oh my gosh, so it's still in the idle state, right? So, and it's constantly updating. So yeah, we got the idle state and updating idle state. I don't want that. I don't want that. So I want to, press a specific key and then you start moving, right? So let's deal with this by yeah, let's go to the okay, here. So player idle state, if you are in the idle state and it's constantly updating, right? Constantly updating, and then if you just get a user's input, let's just put it in the parentheses. If you got a specific input, and that get key down, key code W, put get key code A, input or get all that, WASD, and then statement change state to move state. That's good. That's good. So WASD, so it's like a typical a key for the movement, right? Then you switch that to move state. Good. So let's save this, right? Go back here. Finger crossed, it will compile, and yeah, reload domain. Just wait for a bit. Wait for it. Yeah, non-reference object from non-single object. Okay, we got a reference, just not same. Okay, why is that? Objects 31, current state update. Okay, can we run right now? Even though we go to server. Yeah, I guess I have to. Object reference not set an instance of object. No, yeah. Okay, it seems that I can't find it here, so maybe I have to specify player dot state machine. Okay, dot state machine, right, and dot change state. Okay, hopefully this will work. Okay, let's compile and see the error goes away. Okay, not find the reference. Let's clear it, right? Let's clear it, run it, and hopefully if it can run, means that I can compile. Yeah, that's good. So I am entering the idle state, right? And this is a game view, right? So right now nothing, just a player with the with state machine attached to it. So WASD. Okay, yeah, I press WASD. Yeah, all that. I'm exiting the idle state. I'm entering the move state, and I'm updating the move state, right? Because WASD, all that. You're still updating, and if you look at here, you're constantly updating, right? You're constantly updating, and that's the reason why I think that's the expensive method invocation, because it's constantly updating, right? You're constantly updating and constantly like output, like print things out. It's not usually a good practice, but let's start with a simple one and just yeah, just get something printed out, because I know state machine can be a hard step, like a hurdle for you to step over. But if you continue to write code in a very specific and small project, you won't able to jump over the threshold. So I think, well, why not start a complex project, get a framework ready. I know you may feel this overwhelming, but you will get used to it, because you will work on a project for a pretty long time, and you will get familiar with the project, and this part does this part does this. So next time you do the similar project, you will yeah, know where to start. And I believe that game development It's fairly easy because you just got all, specific genre of game, and all that genre of game start with that specific programming concept. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Bye.